The stator can either be wound, can either be star wound or delta wound. Generally speaking, small vehicles or small engines are normally equipped with a star wound alternator, while large vehicles or large trucks or larger alternators can be delta wound. Can be delta wound. You can have the stator in delta wound on large vehicles. As a general rule, these windings should be completely insulated from what? From the housing. Otherwise, if they are grounded, what happens is there will be the leakage here, alternator output during charging. And the alternator output will be low or non-existent. Then this is the rotor. The rotor is an electromagnet. When supplied with a current from the regulator and the brush box assembly, it magnetizes, and the electromagnet is spun by the engine. As the engine is running, the rotor will spin within the stator. When correctly assembled, this is the arrangement that we are going to have. The rotor will spin inside the stator, moving with its magnetic field to induce voltage and current in line with induction. The voltage and current induced in this is in the form of alternating current, and the alternating current is then going to be transferred to the rectifier, where it is going to be converted to DC because alternating current is not suitable to recharge the battery or to run other electrical devices on the ordinary internal combustion engine motor vehicle. Then this one is a rectifier. The rectifier is an assembly which consists of several, or up to about 11 diodes, which rectifies or converts alternating current to direct current. So it's supplied with alternating current from the stator. Then the diodes will then convert that alternating current, that's full wave rectification. The alternating current is converted through a process of full wave rectification. And that alternating current, the direct current is then passed on to the external loads and to the battery for recharging. On the same assembly here, we have a regulator. The function of the regulator is to control alternator output in order to prevent overcharging. And the maximum safe output for a 12-volt alternator is 14.2 volts. So regulator settings are such that they will not allow alternator output to exceed 14.2 volts. Then of course, this is the slip ring end bracket. The bracket is the back of the alternator. It is the one which holds the rectifier. When properly assembled, the rectifier is held by this bracket. Then we also have a drive end bracket. This side, this is the drive end bracket, the bracket that holds the motor. And on this bracket, on some alternators we would normally have a fan, but on this alternator the fan is integrated inside the what? Inside the alternator. The function of the fan is to draw air in order to improve or to ensure that we cool down the alternator components, the likes of the rotor itself, the stator, and the rectifier. These things need to be cooled down because as current is flowing through them, they heat up. Overheating of the alternator, especially the diode,